Hello children. Now let us discuss one of the important topic, that is how to represent an irrational number on the number line. Okay. Representation of root 2 on number line. Okay, how can you represent root 2 on the number line? Let us discuss this one. We know that root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, let us see how to represent root 2 on the number line. Okay, first you draw a line segment or you draw a number line 0, 1 and 2. Okay, 0, 1 and 2. Yes. From here to here 1 unit it will be. 1 unit means in your scale you should take 1 centimeters, exact 1 centimeters. Okay, and after that from here onwards, and here let us assume, yes, from here onwards again you should take the 1 centimeter. Okay, let us assume this as A and let us assume this point as B. Okay, and this point as O. Okay, 1 unit. The distance from 0 to A or O to A is 1 unit, and from here to here also you should take the 1 unit. Okay, now join OB. If you join OB, what you will get? Yes, if you join OB, then you will get a required right angled triangle. Okay, then you will get a required right angled triangle where right angle at A. Okay, now by using the Pythagoras theorem, let us find out the value of OB. Okay, we know that Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, the largest side is the hypotenuse, means OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. Okay, let us take it as a capital letters here. OAB. Okay, OB square means square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. Then OB square is equals to, what is the value of OA here? 1 unit. So 1 square plus, what is the value of AB here? What is the distance of AB? 1 unit. 1 square. Then OB square is equals to 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. Then OB is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 square root of 2. Okay, that is equals to 2. Okay, OB is equals to square root of 2, means yes, square root of 2. Now how to represent root 2 on the number line? See here, just by using the compass. Okay, by using the compass with O as center, with O as a center, take the length of OB, okay, by using the compass, okay, length of OB, and just you draw an arc, okay, just you draw an arc which cuts this number line, okay, yes, just you draw an arc, and here wherever this arc cuts this number line, okay, wherever that arc cuts this number line, that point indicates the value of root 2, that is equals to 1.414. Okay children, wherever the point cuts this number line, okay, that point represents the value of root 2, okay. Like this you should find out, right, like this you should represent the root 2 on the number line, okay. Next, let us go for the one more important problem. Represent root 10 on number line. How to represent root 10 on the number line? Okay, how to represent root 10 on the number line? Okay, before we are going to represent root 10 on the number line, let us write like this. Root 10 can be written as 9 plus 1, root of 9 plus 1, and again this root of 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus 1. Okay, now as usual let us draw a number line. Okay, let us draw a number line, and here 3 units are there, means you should take the 3 units, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, you should take the 3 units, okay, means the length is 3 centimeters you should take. From your scale you should take the 3 centimeters, and then here instead of writing those numbers I am going to mention with the alphabets. Okay, let us assume it as O, let us assume it as A, okay, and here the length of OA is 3 centimeters, okay, the length of OA is 3 centimeters. As usual with A as a center, just by using the scale you draw exactly 1 centimeter, 1 unit, okay, exactly 1 unit. Okay, exactly 1 unit mention here, 1 unit or 1 centimeter, okay, OA, and it is B, it is B. Next, join OB. If you join OB, then you will get a required right angled triangle OAB, okay. If you join OB, then you will get a required right angled triangle OAB, okay. In this required right angled triangle OAB, right angle is at point A, okay. Then by using the Pythagoras rule, let us find out the side OB, okay. Square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. Okay, square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, then here OB square is equals to, what is the distance from the O to A? 3 centimeters. That is 3 square plus AB is 1 centimeter. That is 1 square. Then OB square is equals to 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1. OB square is equals to 9 plus 1 is 10. Then OB is equals to square root of 10. Okay, here square root of 10. The length of OB side is root 10. Okay, same as usual with O as center by using the compass. With O as a center, taking the length of see here more distance is there. Let's assume it as the length of OB. With O as center, take the length of OB by using the compass. Okay, and draw an arc. Yes. Okay, draw an arc. Then here wherever this arc exactly meets on the number line. Okay, wherever this arc exactly meets on the number line, that point indicates the value of the root 10. Okay, that point indicates the value of the root 10. Okay children, like this you should represent the irrational number on the number line. Okay, thank you.